on the scaffolding there, there's lots of screws which haven't been put in. So if you see there, there's no screw there. So half of them are missing, and there's quite a few of them which are dangerously protruding. See, that's a really sharp edge, and it's sticking out. You can see. It's just dangerous for my 3-year-old son walking bare. You can't walk barefoot on this decking anymore. There's quite a few instances of. Find another one. See here, that one's clearly sticking out. It's another instance of there's a missing one. There's another one there sticking out. Another one there sticking out. See, like, I'd say maybe see, that one's done really well. There's no, your foot won't get caught on that. You won't cut your feet on that. But a lot of them haven't been drilled in. They're protruding out. The ground is wet because I washed the floor because there's lots of mud left by the builders as well. But that's here to buy. Yeah, it's just, these ones were done well. Can't see any missing ones. That one there, and the one protruding, one missing. Over here, there's another one protruding, one missing. You see how it sticks out? It should be all down like that one. See, that one's gone far down, so you think I can't touch it.